This tutorial will show you how to create and assign a project. To get started, select Projects, then click Add Project. If you are looking for project inspiration, you can browse our project idea videos or check out lesson plans submitted by other Artsonia art teachers. If you like one of the project idea videos, you can click on the video, then select Create Project. This will generate a project showing the video under Project Instructions. For now, we are going to create a project from scratch by entering the project's name and selecting Create Project. Here, you can fill out a description which will be shown on your school's gallery. You also have access to additional features, such as connecting to national art standards and adding instructions for your students by uploading a video, embedding a link, or writing text instructions. If you are accepting artist statements about the artwork, you can enter prompting questions and even add a statement starter for your students. Prompting questions are shown alongside the entry field for students, and a statement starter is a pre-filled sentence that a student can add to, such as, "My favorite thing about this artwork is." When you are ready to share this assignment with students, select Assign, then mark the grades or classes you would like to assign the project to. Once you select a grade or class, those students will see the assignment and instructions in the Artsonia class portal and will have the ability to submit artwork to the project for you to review. For more detailed information on the class portal, check out our class portal tutorial. If you would like to post the project to Google Classroom, select the Post Assignment link, make any edits, and then select Create New Assignment. This will post an assignment on Google Classroom with an embedded link for the student to directly submit to the project. If you use another platform such as Seesaw, Canvas, or Schoology, you will find sharing links in the upper right-hand corner that you can use to share the project with your students. If you use this link, remember that the students will need to know the school access code. The Artwork tab at the top will show you all the submitted artwork for that project and any artwork that is still in review. If you are planning to submit artwork on behalf of the students, you can click the blue Upload Artwork button here. Another great feature is you can now keep track of which students have submitted artwork to your projects by clicking the Monitor tab. Here, you have the option to monitor by grade or class. If you have any questions about setting up your projects, please feel free to reach out to Artsonia's customer service at 800-869-9974 or email us at info@artsonia.com.